Claude's launch is shaking up giants like Palo Alto and CrowdStrike. Even Burry is shorting Palantir. Is tech dying, or is this just a final shakeout? Anthropic's security shift and Bitcoin's April rebound mastered the fear to transform your portfolio. Cybersecurity stocks just took a hit, mostly due to Anthropic's new AI model. Anthropic is an $18 billion giant, and markets fear Claude will replace legacy security software. Palo Alto's dropped over 10% lately. Michael Burry fueled the fire, shorting them and saying Anthropic's eating Palantir's lunch. Check these 3 points. First, new A, I won't scrap existing security overnight. 2, Anthropic's a tool for Palantir. 3, shorts like Burry stir fear to boost profits. Since '08, his calls mostly missed. It's like saying car makers failed just because engines evolve. The first company to adopt that engine will lead the market. This dip is likely just panic-driven noise. How long will the fear last? Don't sweat the price. Palantir's fundamentals are stronger than ever. Palantir's the military's Warbrain and DC is raving about their success. Trump even praised Palantir on social media, a rare shout-out for one company. It's purely political. To secure donor support for the election, Palantir's pro-Israel ties make them a vital strategic ally. The key is Ontology. It organizes data so you can make instant decisions. Anthropic's good, but they can't beat Palantir's grip on decades of Pentagon data. Intel hit 20 and folks wrote, off, but DC's massive support pushed back to 60. Palantir is vital to national security, so these dips are great entry points for long-term investors. The kicker? Bitcoin's correlation. At 70K, many fear it's peaked. Look at April 2019 and 20. Same pattern. Despite tariff fears, markets bounce back after April 9th. Markets jump at bad news, but research shows that impact only lasts 90 days. Like the Ukraine war, markets panicked, but moved on in 3 months. Mideast tension and the cyberstock dip should settle within this 90-day rule. So what's the plan? Stick to DCA basics. Most wait for the bottom, then freeze once it actually bounces. Given the May-August rally, it's best to build positions while uncertainty is high. Prices might dip, but we're near a historic low. Think about it. Will today's noise matter in 90 days? I know you're worried AI or war could make this analysis pointless. Fair point. If Hormuz shuts and oil hits $100, inflation spikes and the Fed skips rate cuts. But here's the key. The U.S. and big money lose far more from a crash than they gain from war. Why'd the VP pull a 21-hour marathon talk with Iran? Money. They're saving face while tweaking the business model to squeeze every cent out of those transit fees. They're just posturing while crunching numbers. Ignore the noise and follow the big money. In short, temporary panics and global crises are always a party for smart money. Cyberstocks and Palantir are pivoting with Gov help. Bitcoin's also consolidating, just like every April. Don't panic sell, just rebalance with data. The thickest fog shows the clearest path. That's all for today. Like and subscribe if this helped. I'm Ray. See you next time.